Hello, music customer. Give us a call. We work across the country. Bye bye. David, David had killed Goliath with what?
Catapult and stone.
David had killed Goliath with what?
Catapult and stone.
David had killed Goliath with what?
Catapult and stone.
David, where's your stone? Where's your stone?
I use my stone.
Where's your stones?
I use my stone.
So where's Goliath right now?
I use the wall.
The wall is the Goliath.
Yeah, man.
So show your stone again.
I use my stone.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, man.
So now have you killed Goliath or no kill Goliath yet?
We kill one part.
You kill one part.
Yeah, left it one part.
Okay, okay. So now you kill one Goliath, you kill second Goliath, and now you are on the middle Goliath. Show your stone.
I use my stone.
Okay, okay, okay. Today you have overcome Goliath. Hmm? You have overcome Goliath. Hmm? Wow. So nice and beautiful. Natural stones for your house decor. Bro, quotation yamba yo. Bro, me quotation ben e yo de angasa o tanka every day. Quotation ben. Ose. De no mutro ho. O verse no for ose Matthew
24:35.
Okay.
That's
That's right. What you say? God first, Anna. God first. And then anapa also juma what bompae. What bompae? Okay. Bompae body nya kese pa. Ade bia fashion nyame nsem. What you say? Because nya say ono timi fa de osumi na so no ayi no na she ni di ni monyam. Ana yesa. Chino yen ti ba be for the kitchen na chan. Chale, make la fia, make ya. Okay. So this Biana stone that you are using to design the building, as you can see, this is a natural stone cladding. So nice and beautiful, as you can see. You see. We always take an time and do a very beautiful job for all my customers around the country. You see. So this be Barnabas. Toledje. Barnabas. This be I'm guessing Yesu Kristo. Judas. This be Judas Iscariot. Mr. Black. That's right. Blackie. Ege monya de kene ne manoga. Monya de ka. Oh! Blackie monya de ka mama no. Jenkla subapa. Monya de ka fe manoga. Eke like blon. Yeah. Oh, this is what they are calling him. You see, so just be how the installation go. You see. So nice and beautiful, as you can see. So whatever they give us a call, we work across the country. You see, these are natural stones for your house decoration. As you can see, you see, so nice and beautiful. Wow. Sema daka ameya kpa kudo sato ya Kenya po. Daka me pasa kudo ya Kenya po. Daka me ra solo que me kpa ka fa kudo ya Kenya po. Okay. Okay. Like how do you call it? The name of the regions be, you know, be Greater Accra, or no be so, and so. What about the name of Accra Tema? So. Don't go mad. And okay, the name of the city. No, like maybe like how do you call? Also, so I be Accra be or Kumasi be or Asunyani to be what? The name of what?